Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Woowind BP188. It's a tire inflator. It's in case of an electric bike pump. Really portable. It's so nice because it's so small and compact. It's a portable air pump for a bicycle with automatic shut-off function with Presta and Schrader valve adapter. 150 psi is possible and it's rechargeable. The color is red and it goes up to 150 psi. This is a nice bike pump. It fits all our needs to inflate roads, bicycles, mountain bikes, dirt bikes, motorcycle, scooter tires, swimming rings, basketballs, and so much more. We have 4 preset modes and 4 units. The preset modes are motorcycle, bike, ball, of course, a custom mode is available too. And we have 4 units which are usable. You can use the values of PSI, bar, kPa, and kilogram per centimeter, which enable we to set our goal mode and unit anytime. This bicycle pump can be used as a digital pressure gauge since it has a large screen with a dual pressure display. This tells the preset and the target air pressure and the real-time air pressure of our rim, for example. Automatic shut-off when the target pressure is reached, which leaves us no worries of overinflation. The LED flashlight function makes it a perfect tool on a night road bike trip, and we can inflate well even in a dark environment. We have all what we need in the box: an electric bike pump, a flexible hose, a USB cable, which we can use to reload on any USB port, for example on your smartphone, AC adapter, or your laptop, power bank, or computer as well. You can choose where the USB port is, and there you can get a new energy for this pump easily. We have a valve adapter, a ball needle, a swimming ring nozzle, and that's additional. It makes it possible to buy additional hoses too, if you like, because it's a standard mechanism behind it. Woowind, keep calm and Woowind on. Founders of the Woowind are husbands and daddies who love spending time on camping, cycling, self-drive tours, basketball, soccer with their families and friends on the weekend. They designed multifunctional portable air pumps to inflate these items automatically. No more hassle, no sweats. We keep calm and we win on. This portable electric bike pump is the BP188 and it comes with an aluminum alloy body. It's small and portable. It's an LCD display equipped and we have an LED flashlight. It's cordless and the maximum pressure is 150 psi. Super compact and portable. This bike pump is slightly bigger than the phone, a smartphone for example. Super compact and super portable air pump, which makes it perfect to tire inflator to carry with that. We have a large LCD display on the base. The large screen makes it easy to operate since we can clearly see the measured air pressure and the preset air pressure valve. And the LED flashlight is for the night. This electric bike pump is equipped with an LED light function that we can use to inflate in an emergency situation or in dark environment. And it's one pump for nearly all. With this multifunction pump, we can not only inflate tires but also balls. This saving us money from getting a ball pump too. Really cool. And we can take it anywhere. It's easy to store in frame-mounted bottle holder on bicycle, for example, or in bike saddlebags or in the seat packs. That's one electric pump for all out there. Really cool. And it is really easy to operate this tool. That means we can see the battery indicator lamp. If it is green, we are the battery is 60 up to 100% full loaded. Yellow light is medium, 30 up to 60%, and red is 10 up to 30%. The USB charger is recommended to use a 5-volt 2 ampere. We use the Type-C charging cable to connect the air pump and the power adapter, which is not included, for charging easily. Then we can start up and shut down the device easily. We long press the power button for 3 seconds. Then it will be on, and long press the power button for 3 seconds to shut it off. Automatic shutdown after 3 minutes without operation, and automatic shutdown when the battery is low too. We can switch between the modes by using the setup button. We can use 5 inflate scene modes. There are car mode, for example, 35 psi, this is a 2.4 bar. And the motorcycle mode with 40 psi, a bicycle mode with 38 psi, and a custom mode with around about 100 psi. And of course, a ball mode is possible too with 8 psi. So you can see, you can easy use it, really. We make a preset pressure value. We short press the plus button to adjust the preset pressure value plus minus 0.5 psi. If we use the plus button, it will goes up with the pressure. Go minus button to go down. We can make a long press to quickly adjust the preset pressure value. The scenes with and preset pressures value are automatically saved by the pump. We only need to switch the mode for the next use, and the preset pressure will be automatically set again. Then we can have the hose connection. The connection of the hose is really easy. We have a Schrader valve, for example, and there we can attach the Schrader valve adapter. Then we go with the flexible hose onto it, and the flexible hose we have to connect to the pump. After this, we can start inflation. We short press the inflation switch to start the inflation. The digital display of the real-time air pressure value changed during the inflation, and then if it reached the setup value, it will stop automatically after it. To go with the LED light, we long press the upper button for I think 3 seconds it was, and then it will be enabled. Then, after switching on, we connect the hose to the measured object, and the measured pressure value shows the current pressure value. Then we can have measuring pressure setup. If we like to reset the pressure after switching off, when the measurement pressure value is not 0, we press the plus minus key for 3 seconds to enter automatic reset, if we like to do that. Of course, we have to look, there's a high temperature zone, because compressed air will have a little bit of a high temperature area. When the hose is unscrewed, the air pump and the joint will be heated due to the long-term work. We do not touch it with our hands for a long time. Let it go down a little bit. For example, this smart bike pump here by Woowind with the model BP188 is really nice and compact ball pump. And of course, it's a bicycle pump, or you can nearly pump up nearly everything. This is really cool. Woowind BP188 tire inflator, electric baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.